Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my Chinese beef and vegetable sauce. The recipe I will be using are beef, carrots, broccoli, fresh pepper, yellow, red, green bell pepper, spring onions, coconut oil, soya sauce, ginger and garlic paste, rosemary, white pepper, black pepper, honey, dark soya sauce, curry powder, seasoning. First, I will be adding my spices inside my meat. This is ginger and garlic paste, seasoning, curry powder, black pepper, white pepper, rosemary. Next, I will be mixing it together. For 3 minutes now. It's time for me to take it out and put it inside the cold water. Now I will be adding my coconut oil. Then my beef. I will be stir-frying my beef first. I will be adding my corn flour. Give it a garlic and ginger paste, next I will be putting my yellow, red, green bell pepper and my fresh pepper. My vegetable have been stir frying for 5 minutes now. It's time for me to add my beef. Inside there, I have my soya sauce, black soya sauce, white pepper, black pepper, curry powder. I will be adding little, not much. I'll cover it to stir fry for 3 minutes. Now my Chinese beef and vegetable sauce is ready. This is how my Chinese beef vegetable sauce looks like. Please, if you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. Bye. Love you all.